Hey guys, welcome to Weekly Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about Zebi. It's a blockchain-based big data solution for the enterprise and the government. This is an Indian-based project. Um, the KYC process is already finished. I think this is on March 1st. I believe you can do the join the Airdrop lottery. So when you click the Airdrop lottery, you can fill in your email address, your full name, and then the Zebi's Telegram group, and you have to join the Telegram group as well as the Telegram, your name, the Telegram name, and then the Zebi's Twitter community. You have to join them as well, and then you have to type the Twitter handle as well, and then you have to provide a URL link for the proof of engagement. The the blog post, retweet, comment, and YouTube on Reddit as well. Also, you have to provide your Ethereum address. And this one you probably say no because the KYC is already finished. You click submit, so you can get into the free airdrop lottery. So good luck, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm not a financial advisor. Please use your due diligence to invest your money. Remember, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace.